Greetings to one and all. I am Mrs. Nitina Shukla from Mumbai. I am a teacher in government aided school, Vadala, which is situated in Mumbai. The name of my school is National Kannada Education Society's High School and Junior College. I teach maths and science in 9th and 10th and only maths in 11th and 12th. I have run a small program during this time of pandemic or lockdown, and I call it as Silver Lining Nannikada. COVID-19 impact on education in my school. Sudden attack of COVID-19 first brought plenty of free time with it. This was during the initial stages of lockdown, along with the massive amount of time that walked in so many other difficulties too. The first one was no classes could take place. Because of that, students had no directions left. They started playing online games. After that, there were so many who wanted to see movies. They started downloading movies and seeing continuously. There was no rule left because they did not have to get up in the morning and go to school. So late night they used to wake, and full life was totally without rules. Then came the virtual classes. It was more difficult for the students to see in that small mobile and a small place of 16, something like 6 inches, 7 inches, and their teacher was also into that. They could hear their teacher, but they could not feel that feeling, sense of feeling was not there. That oneness which is there in the class was not there. Result was they started developing lack of interest in the class. Sense of restlessness developed. And interest towards studies also decreased. Initially, the difficulties which were faced by students. Similarly, we also as a teacher faced lot of difficulties. Even though we knew how to make videos or write PPTs rather, videos today, which we used to make for the school programs once in a blue moon. We needed to reach the students, and massive amount of input was given from teachers side also to learn this new technology of online classes, how to conduct the classes. It was not that easy for us too, because when you sit in a closed room, in front of your wall is there, and you try to speak as if somebody is sitting in front of you, it's not that easy. The words don't flow in that easily. Difficult for teachers, difficult time for the students. During this time, many students who were in contact with me, they started giving me feedback when I asked them for. And there was so many questions which they had, like what can we do now? When the school is going to reopen? How to utilize time is the biggest difficulty. Then after asking them, they told me that most of the time what they do is they either see movies back to back, one, two, three, sometimes three also, resulting in a headache, or they sit in front of YouTube and just go on seeing whatever comes in front of them. And there was a lot of students, a big section of students rather. They started actually playing games. They knew they were playing games earlier also. But now the amount of games which they were playing was more. Because there was no set rules in the life, no time to go to school, no time to go to bed. The life was total haywire. Resultant negativity, restlessness, anger, anxiety, indifferent behavior, substance abuse, depression, all the problems together. That was the time when I realized my students lack enthusiasm. There was no direction left with them. I asked them, I told them, you were not like this when you were in the school. They very clearly told me that when we were in front of you, we could share our feelings. But right now in the surrounding, what we see is people are falling sick. They are dying because of coronavirus. Something which is beyond our understanding. And even our parents are losing job. So money was also a problem. Negativity, anxiety, and the biggest thing which was there was empty mind. As it is said, empty mind is devil's workshop. They started behaving in an indifferent manner. This was the time I, as a teacher, felt this is the time I should do something for my students. I cannot wait for government or authorities to guide me. So as usual, as everyone was doing, I also made a YouTube channel and I started giving them YouTube videos and then talking to them that, yo, I have made this. And after discussing with them, they told, teacher, online classes 3 hours we are sitting. Again, YouTube videos are being sent to us. We see that also. We are not able to connect. That same small screen we are seeing continuously. There is no novelty in this. What we are doing actually, the person is speaking, we are listening, and we are not able to link anything. We want to do something on our own. And during this time, I felt I am supposed to do certain things. And what I did was, I ran a program. And believe me, when I started this, I had no idea that this program will take this big structure what it is right now. I just tried to counsel my students and I told them chalo kuch karte hain. And they said kya karte hain teacher? I said chalo kahin online exams dete hain and we will try to keep ourselves busy. And the first answer was, it's very easy to say teacher, but very difficult to work. We won't be able to do it. And I said, why? Why you won't be able to do it? They told me, it is easy to say teacher, karna padega to. And then I realized, yes, first I should do it, set an example, then ask my students to follow. I started doing it. I started participating in online video making, quiz competitions, and seminars, and I used to share these things with them. And most of them I did not win. And I said, yes, but I am enjoying the process. Meanwhile, they also started doing it. But still, I did not find any positive change in them. And this was the time I realized I am supposed to give them something very interesting. Then I started asking them to play games in the form of quiz, and I could see a positive change. Some students were inclined towards maths and science. They started answering in the YouTube channel as well as a WhatsApp group which I made with my students. Then came the exam, which was by NTCS, National Council of Teacher Scientists. This was exam which was actually it was a program run by a club called NCTS. This was there for teachers, and as a teacher I participated in this. After participating, there was a competition of resource person, national resource person development. I participated and won that competition, and this was the turning point. I showed them after writing many exams, at least now I can get the success. So I could set an example in front of them. Meanwhile, now students were ready to listen. Earlier also they were listening, but yes, along with this competition when it was going on, I tried to talk to students and they said, okay, we will also do teacher. And then there came World Maths Tournament, which was run by NCTS Gujarat branch. It was in collaboration with Brazil and UAE. The Indian students, Brazil students and UAE students. They were participating and it was free of cost. I made them participate in that. I used to take YouTube live sessions, and in the WhatsApp group lots of information I shared about it. They asked questions. We had a very good. Now students were at least having a channel and then they started working on that direction. But during this time I realized that still there was a big section of students who were not participating. I started talking to them and then I came to know that they don't love maths and science that much. They don't enjoy that subject. They had more inclination towards arts, drawing, painting, writing poems. And the other part of my program started from here, where I told them, okay, whatever you feel like, you just write and give it to me. Draw and send it to me. They made pictures, they made drawings, they wrote poetries, and they had sent it to me through WhatsApp group. I made an ebook of it, called it as Nanhe Kadam. And this time I gave my name to my project, which was Silver Lining Nanhe Kadam. It was a small step from my side to go and contact my students, and my students started taking small step towards creativity, doing something constructive. And to my surprise, I found most of them made beautiful drawings, wrote really heart-touching poems where they could give the experiences which they had with their teachers. And I felt I should compile it and make it an ebook, Nanhe Kadam. First two books, we had less participants. Third and fourth book, many participants. Because after first two books, when they saw the books, others also started feeling, they started expressing, they started doing something new. They wanted to write, express their feelings, how they feel when they are locked down in their house. They found a way to express. Students felt very easy to chat with their mobile, just typing and all. So they used to type and give it to me, I used to reply. So that little bit, that ice was broken. and Nanne Kadam started becoming success. So the first step was we math science loving students started writing exams, competitive exams, and VVM exam is one exam where many students are participating. And those who are not participating, they at least are seeing the work of their friends. They are helping them to do the work. Maths Empire, many students from my school, they participated. Material required or the resources which I used in implementing my innovative idea. There was no big resource that was required. We stay in Mumbai. Connectivity of internet and all is very good here. They had smartphones in their house because nowadays everyone has got WhatsApp and Facebook. So material requirement, resource requirement was not more here. And they used colors, paper, pencil. Some of them they made it on drawings on the wall also. Some of them on the ground. They clipped the photographs, they sent it to me. I compiled into a ebook and I used to share with them that book. नन्हे कदम अब अच्छा बन गया था. बच्चे अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे थे. एक को देखकर दूसरा और दूसरे को देखकर तीसरा ग्रुप में ज्वाइन हो रहे थे. जो बच्चे कभी बोल नहीं रहे थे, उनके अंदर में जो गुस्सा या उनके अंदर जो चिढ़, जो डिप्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी, वो चीज अब उनको वेंट करने के लिए एक जगह मिल चुकी थी जहां वो ड्राइंग के रूप में मुझे दे रहे थे. वो प्यार, वो जो मिस कर रहे थे अपने दोस्तों के साथ डब्बा खाना, सब चीज़ों का ड्राइंग उन्होंने बनाया और दिया. हमने ऐसे टीचर्स डे पे, फिर विश्वेश्वरैया डे पे, गांधी जयंती लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के ऊपर ड्राइंग्स बनाए. और कुछ बच्चों ने तो इतनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई. द क्रिएटिव साइड ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स, इट blossomed beautifully. Those who showed the interest in the side of mathematics and science, they were writing the exam, they were talking about the questions, the difficult questions, the puzzles, and now they had a direction to work. The second one was where they were creating things, drawing, art, language, and all the part of teaching was catered to. जब ये सब हो रहा था तो रिस्पॉन्सेस जो स्टूडेंट से मिले, जो पेरेंट्स से मिले, जो मैनेजमेंट से मिले, बहुत सुंदर थे. बिकॉज पेरेंट्स स्टार्टेड कंप्लेनिंग इन द बिगनिंग इटसेल्फ, जब ये प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट नहीं किया था, कि बच्चे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो सो नहीं रहे हैं टाइम पे, वो उठ नहीं रहे हैं टाइम पे, और जब देखो तो वो गेम में लेके आवाज, लड़ाई झगड़ा, तोड़ फोड़ के गेम देख रहे हैं. और अब वो बच्चे वो ना देखते हुए कुछ चीजें पढ़ते रहते हैं. दे वर हैप्पी, पेरेंट्स वर हैप्पी. एंड जब ये काम हो रहा था तो वो पेरेंट्स देख भी रहे थे कि बच्चे क्रिएटिवली कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, ड्राइंग बनाते बैठे हैं या पोएम लिख रहे हैं, तो अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग में लिख रहे हैं, तो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स हैं या नहीं हैं वो एक दूसरे को चेक कर. बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट गिव देम करेक्शंस. आई डिडंट वांट टू स्टॉप their creativity by correcting two spellings and then making them understand that ए तुमने गलत लिखा. I said that whatever you are doing, it's okay. I did not give them corrections in the beginning because that was one way जिससे मैं उनके फर्स्ट स्टेप को रोक देती. Now we are in the third stage. Now I started giving them corrections कि spelling mistakes हो रही है, pronunciations गलत हो रहे हैं. But in the beginning, go ahead. कुछ बच्चों ने वीडियोस बनाए, कुछ बच्चे म्यूजिकल ऑर्गन्स बजाते थे, उन्होंने उस प्रकार को यूज करते हुए म्यूजिकल पीसेस दिए. एवरीथिंग वाज पुट इन ई बुक. एक सिंपल ड्राइंग से लेकर द क्रिएटिव, मोस्ट क्रिएटिव ड्राइंग, एवरीथिंग वाज पुट इन ई बुक. ई बुक was something which they started enjoying because they felt कि मेरा नाम उस बुक में आया, and that achievement वाली एक feeling उनको आई. And those who did not participate, they felt कि अरे इसका आया, I will also do. So they got motivated. My work became very easy. Meanwhile, when this all was happening, as I told you, questions were not easy. आप भी कर सकते हो क्या? I felt that I should prove मैं भी आपकी जैसी हूँ. नहीं आता था कुछ भी करना. छोटे से बोर्ड को लेकर पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया. दरवाजे पर लिखकर YouTube के वीडियोस बनाए और लाइव सेशंस लिया, उनके साथ बात की. चीज़ें धीरे धीरे बढ़ती चली गई. रिस्पॉन्सेस स्कूल से ही नहीं, स्टूडेंट से ही नहीं, अब मैनेजमेंट से भी अच्छा आने लग गया. दे वर हैप्पी. रोड ब्लॉक्स. जिन बच्चों को कुछ चीज़ें नहीं आती थी, जैसे हम लोग ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो उनकी ड्राइंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, राइटिंग अच्छी थी या हैंड राइटिंग गंदी थी, तो एक दूसरे को उन्होंने करेक्शन देना स्टार्ट किया. एंड दे स्टार्टेड सेइंग दैट अच्छा तुमने पोएम लिखी, मैं लिख के देती हूँ, मेरी हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी है. So, जब ये प्रोसेस हुआ तो उन्होंने दूसरे एक ने पोएम लिखी, दूसरे ने उसको रीराइट नीट हैंड राइटिंग में लेकर फोटोग्राफ लेकर सेंड की. अब दो बच्चे कोऑपरेट करके एक चीज दे रहे थे. सेंस ऑफ कोऑपरेशन, ब्रदरहुड के. व्हेन दिस हैपेंड, आई टोल्ड द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, जब वो अच्छा लिख सकता है तो आप क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते? एंड देन दे सेड ओके वी विल आल्सो ट्राई. एंड दिस बॉय स्टार्टेड टेलिंग दैट बॉय कि देख इस प्रकार से, या दिस गर्ल फर्स्ट वन स्टार्टेड टेलिंग द अदर वन, देख इसको इस प्रकार से बनाएगी तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. तो धीरे धीरे प्रोसेस बढ़ता चला गया. एक दूसरे के साथ म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट में काम होने लग गया. थर्ड स्टेज, जब बच्चे कॉम्पिटिशन्स में मैथ्स और साइंस के बैठ रहे थे. सेकेंड स्टेज में ई बुक बनना स्टार्ट हुआ. थर्ड स्टेज में मैंने उनसे कहा कि हम लोग वीवीएम की पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें एक 26-27 साइंटिस्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है, और इस साल के साइंटिस्ट हैं बापूजी केलकर. तो उनके बारे में हम लोग क्यों ना वीडियोस बना लें. प्रेजेंटेशंस बनाते हैं और वीडियो बनाते हैं. अब सबको 200 पेज की बुक पढ़नी पड़ेगी. उससे अच्छा हम एक काम करते हैं, हम 10 पेज डिवाइड करते हैं, तो 20 लोग अगर 10 पेज पढ़ेंगे और उस पर प्रेजेंटेशन बनाकर वीडियो बना लेंगे, रिजल्ट विल बी हमारे पास हर एक ने 10 पेज परफेक्ट पढ़ा. एट द एंड सबकी अगर इनपुट आ जाएगी तो पूरी बुक का एक ई बुक तैयार हो जाएगा. एंड दिस विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द वीडियोस. और उसको हमने एक और नाम दिया, द रियल हीरोज ऑफ इंडिया. अब रियल हीरोज ऑफ इंडिया में स्टूडेंट्स अपने आप प्रेजेंटेशंस बना रहे हैं, वो उसको एडिट करते हैं, वो वॉइस देखकर उसको वीडियो में रिकॉर्ड करके एडिट करते हैं, अच्छे से इफेक्ट्स डालते हैं, मुझे देते हैं, मैं यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करती हूँ. विथ दैट one child is doing and all the students from the school they see that, तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारी अपनी कंट्री के बारे में, हमारे अपने साइंटिस्ट के बारे में अब वो पढ़ रहे हैं. एंड व्हेन दे रीड दिस, व्हेन दे रीड अबाउट आवर ओन साइंटिस्ट, दे ऑल्सो फील कि अरे वी वर नोइंग दिस, एंड समटाइम्स वी वर नॉट नोइंग दिस ऑल्सो इज देयर. ये जो प्यार था, जो उनको ड्राइंग से था, एक्टिविटी से था, all that which was in the textbook teachings, now mutual understanding, एक दूसरे के साथ कोऑपरेशन, धीरे धीरे आज इस स्टेज में हम हैं. हम वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, हम बहुत सारा काम कर रहे हैं, और मेन बेनिफिट जो इससे हुआ है वो हुआ है कि बच्चों में डिप्रेशन चला गया. ये लोग अब डिप्रेस नहीं हैं, ये अब म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. एक इकोसिस्टम, एक नेच. एक सिम्बायोसिस तैयार हो चुका है, जहां एक दूसरे के साथ बात करने का मौका मिल रहा है। तो जो नेगेटिविटी जो उनके अंदर थी वो आपस में ही चली जा रही, सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन आ चुका है, सेंस ऑफ कोऑपरेशन, ब्रदरहुड बहुत ज्यादा आ चुका है, म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर, बिकॉज एक काम करता है दूसरा उसको अप्रिशिएट करता है, दूसरा एक को मदद करने जाता है कि देख तेरा ये काम बहुत सुंदर है पर यहाँ तो ठीक कर ले। ब्रदरहुड extremely important. Peace of mind. When you get appreciation from your friends, from your teachers, and from full school because they are seeing those work. अपने आप appreciation की वजह से you feel like doing something, enthusiasm comes. They have now developed a positive attitude towards लॉकडाउन। लॉकडाउन की तरफ में जो एक नेगेटिविटी वाला एटीट्यूड था, पता नहीं क्यों ये आ गया। नाउ दे से दैट अच्छा हुआ हम कुछ नया सीख पाए। नो डाउट इसी तरह से डिफिकल्ट मोस्ट सिचुएशन में से बाहर आने के लिए उनको एक अच्छी सी सिल्वर लाइनिंग दिखाई पड़ने लग गई। अब मेरे बच्चे 5 स्किलों पे काम कर रहे हैं। पहला, रीडिंग, क्योंकि उनको अगर प्रेजेंटेशंस बनाने हैं, उनको ड्राइंग बनानी है, उनको पिक्चर स्टोरीज बनानी है जो वो बना रहे हैं, तो ड्रॉ करके उसके साथ अपना वॉइस देकर पिक्चर स्टोरीज बनाने में उनको पढ़ना पड़ रहा है। जब वो अपना वॉइस देते हैं तो वो स्किल ऑफ स्पीकिंग भी सीख रहे हैं, पढ़ना पड़ रहा है, स्किल ऑफ रीडिंग उनकी डेवलप हो रही है। और दूसरे बच्चों के जब वीडियोस देख रहे हैं तो स्किल ऑफ लिसनिंग भी उनकी डेवलप हो रही है। अलॉन्ग विद दैट सबसे बड़ी स्किल जो उनमें आ रही है वो क्रिएटिविटी है। अब वो नया सीख रहे हैं, वीडियो मेकिंग सीख रहे हैं, एडिटिंग सीख रहे हैं, नॉर्मल प्रेजेंटेशंस को कैसे रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं, और हर टाइम एक नया एक एंथुसियाज्म है उनमें कि हम और नया क्या कर सकते हैं। सबसे बड़ी चीज जो वो सीख रहे हैं वो इंटरनेट को पॉजिटिवली यूज करना सीख रहे हैं। ये ही तरीके से मुझे लगता है कि मेरी जो इनपुट रही नन्हे कदम द सिल्वर लाइनिंग इज गिविंग मी पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट of the most difficult situation at least I have seen in my life. Lockdown. Assistance I received, overwhelming response from my students. My parents, they allowed their students to color and they were more happy कि वो बाहर नहीं जा रहे थे। अब वो बाहर नहीं जा रहे थे, वो नेट पर बैठकर ही नई चीजें सीख रहे थे, वो क्रिएटिव काम कर रहे थे, तो पेरेंट्स बहुत सेटिस्फाइड थे। कम्युनिटी में एक ऐसा डेवलपमेंट आ रहा है जिसमें वो अपने देश के बारे में जान रहे हैं, अपने देश के साइंटिस्ट, अपने मैथमेटिशियंस के बारे में जान रहे हैं, और लिसनिंग स्किल, रीडिंग स्किल, राइटिंग स्किल, क्रिएटिविटी, ड्राइंग, ब्रदरहुड, कोऑपरेशन, म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट, हर चीज डेवलप हो रही है। रिजल्ट, ऑटोमेटिकली कम्युनिटी इज गोइंग टू गेट बेनिफिट। एंड बाय दिस आई वुड लाइक टू एंड माय small talk or describing my project which I had run during the COVID time. Last but not the least, I would like to thank SAS, ZIIE and HDFC for running a successful program and allowing me to participate and share my feelings, my work with you. Thank you.